Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer Litecoin from Crypto.com to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has gotten even smoother, but it's always good to have a step-by-step guide to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings or just manage your assets better, this tutorial will get you there in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Coinbase, and that you have some Litecoin in your Crypto.com wallet. Also, double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication for security. It's 2025, and we can't be too careful with our digital assets. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app or website and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and select Litecoin from your list of assets. You'll see an option for Withdraw or Send. Click that to proceed. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. Head over to your Coinbase wallet app, select Litecoin, and copy the wallet address. Paste that into the withdrawal form on Crypto.com. Don't forget to specify the amount you want to transfer and double-check for any network fees, as these can vary in 2025 depending on blockchain updates. After that, review all the details carefully. This includes the amount, the address, and any confirmation codes. Hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. Depending on network congestion, this could take a few minutes to an hour. Once the transfer is sent, switch to your Coinbase wallet and refresh the app. You should see your Litecoin arriving shortly. If it doesn't show up, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Litecoin's official site. A quick tip: always verify wallet addresses to prevent scams, and consider the current market conditions before moving funds. That's it for this guide. You've now mastered transferring Litecoin between platforms. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.